They're back! And now they're ready to step forward and back in time. And tonight, at last, we're gonna draw Mr. Peabody and Sherman, the creators of the first time machine ever discovered, also known as the Wayback. A special time machine that allows the user to step into the distant past. Mr. Peabody and Sherman have been known by, well, everyone. Starting with George Washington and Mr. Peabody's favorite idol, Enrico Caruso.
Ladies and gentlemen, DreamWorks Animation proudly presents your hosts, Mr. Peabody and his boy, Sherman.
I find Mr. Peabody and Sherman to be my heroes. They even have their own movie. It's amazing. They have their own TV show that debuted in the Penthouse, right in New York City. Another thing, this TV show is actually based on the actual movie itself. It's amazing, isn't it? Alexa, who are Mr. Peabody and Sherman? Please tell me.
From fandom.com. Peabody is a gifted anthropomorphic dog who lives in a penthouse in New York City and raises his adopted human son, 7-year-old Sherman, and tutors him traveling throughout history using the Wayback, a time machine.
Amazing.
Ladies and gentlemen, DreamWorks Animation proudly presents.
Alright, getting started. Let's start with his arms and legs. Here's his tail. April's the best way to draw Mr. Peabody and Sherman. My heroes.
Ladies and gentlemen, DreamWorks Animation proudly presents your hosts, Mr. Peabody and his boy, Sherman.
That takes care of one. Now let's draw Sherman. The other guy. His son. Go.
Ladies and gentlemen, DreamWorks Animation proudly presents your hosts, Mr. Peabody and his boy, Sherman.
Mr. Peabody and Sherman. Alexa, what is the Mr. Peabody and Sherman show?
From raisinchildren.net.au, Mr. Peabody and Sherman is an animated comedy about Mr. Peabody, voice of Ty Burrell, a dog who has dedicated himself to the pursuit of knowledge and advanced scientific inventions, including the creation of a time machine.
Alexa, can you tell me about the Mr. Peabody and Sherman Show movie?
From raisinchildren.net.au, Mr. Peabody and Sherman is an animated comedy about Mr. Peabody, voice of Ty Burrell, a dog who has dedicated himself to the pursuit of knowledge and advanced scientific inventions, including the creation of a time machine.
Alexa, can you tell me more about Mr. Peabody and Sherman?
According to an Alexa Answers contributor, Mr. Peabody is an anthropomorphic dog scientist. His invention, the Wayback Machine, allows him to travel through time. He time travels with his adopted pet, boy, Sherman, and teaches him world history, firsthand.
Mr. Peabody and his boy, Sherman.
These two make a perfect duo. And while we're here, let's find out more about history. Alexa, what is George Washington?
George Washington was an American military officer, statesman, and founding father who served as the first president of the United States from 1789 to 1797. Appointed by the Continental Congress as commander of the Continental Army, Washington led Patriot forces to victory in the American Revolutionary War and served as president of the Constitutional Convention of 1787, which created and ratified the Constitution of the United States and the American federal government.
One thing about Mr. Peabody and Sherman, they should really travel back to the time of the dinosaurs. That would have been really amazing. We would have ran into something like this guy. I love it. Alexa, can you tell me about Enrico Caruso?
Enrico Caruso was an Italian operatic first lyric tenor then dramatic tenor. He sang to great acclaim at the major opera houses of Europe and the Americas, appearing in a wide variety of roles from the Italian and French repertoires that ranged from the lyric to the dramatic.
Their first adventures was with Napoleon Bonaparte, the creator of the Napoleon. They met a lot of guys in the past. I love it. Anyways, they even met the guy who created baseball, the guy who created the car. They even went to Egypt. Hopefully, they even saw a Dimorphodon. Amazing. That's all for now, folks. And keep on traveling through time. And don't worry, folks, we're still gonna draw more dinosaurs.